Hello viewers, welcome to my country channel. Today we are going to see the useful tips to avoid and to the very best remedy for the dry cough. For people who are suffering for very long days like with dry cough, so for them it will be very useful. So first we need to take Indian long pepper. Indian long pepper, you can get it in any like the medical shops, like where they have all these traditional Indian peppers. Everything will be there, and you have to roast this pepper, and then you have to grind it. And then if you have good honey, actually, like which is not without any adulteration, you can mix that honey in this powdered Indian long